Silver has gone. Silver has gone way above expectation. It is okay. You can see the trend. The trend since November 2025 was uptrend and upfront. It was clear. See, the structure of market never lies. Everything the market wants to do, it gives you a clear notification. Look at the trend. I can't, I'm not making this up. I don't want to. Let me not double it. Look at the trend. Look at the trend. So I'm going to note to put into context. I want to note some key reactions on a 2 hours time frame, and may have to bring it closer to 3 hours or 4 hours. And the price has left. And the break and retest. So everything the market was doing, the market was updating us. And I also want to put that into context. So the market has always been well calibrated. There is no reaction in the market that is a mistake. There is no reaction. So it's for you to reevaluate your trading strategy. But as long as I know, there is nothing the market, I have not seen anything the market have done without notification. Now you see that clean break and retest there. After price updating three supply roof, then it comes with a clean retest and another buy confirmation, and the price has left. And what does that tell you? So I'll come down to 3 hours time frame. So you see on 3 hours time frame, you're not going to see that retest, but on 2 hours, you will see it clearly. You will see that drop candle. So I want to put there as a technical demand floor. Reason is because a three-time resistance structure, one-time demand floor. So if price comes back on that probability, that could be an area of buy based on the strategy. So you see the breakout, which happened on 23rd Friday. It came back, retested it, and left, and the market opened in a very serious gap. And if you look critically again, you'll see that the market is just doing whatever it likes, doing whatever it likes, doing whatever it likes. So if you look at the market on 4 hours, switch to your line chart perspective, which of course you know that 4 hours is always stronger than 3 hours, and daily is stronger than 4 hours, and weekly is stronger than daily. So to put this into perspective, I want to change the color. So the strategy is the same. The way we trade gold, that's how we trade silver, that's how we trade copper, that's how we trade aluminium. So today I want to make our time to look at the key core metals we have and why their prices are constantly surging. It shows high scale industrial demand exceeding supply. So you see here we have first to put into context, we have this ROS resistance becomes support and break of structure one, and all we have here are all ROS structures, no retest candle because the market is completely overextended. And we have here another ROS, and so if you are following that black trend line, you see that we have a breakout here. Now we have an official retest here, so that becomes RT slash SR. Officially, you can see that black trend line has been broken. That's a 4 hours time frame and returns on technical. That was from that breakout. Of course, you should expect on that trend that it was a technical buy position, and the structure of the market never lies. And it didn't disappoint when it got there, when it came back there. So technically, another area I'm looking at, since we have tested that zone, if market returns, market may want to dip itself here and rebound, respecting that low. You wouldn't want to come below that low, the previous low, or the market might come back here. If it comes here, then it has set itself up for bearish drop, because a push into here would definitely be rejected here, and we could now start trading in this direction from a triple top, come down again. The market never moves in one direction, and silver has gone. We started posting about silver for a very long time. When silver was at 60 something dollars, I started talking about silver. Go check back all my posts on silver, and today look at where we are in the silver race, and it feels good. Now on, you see we have a key support structure here, which is a sell confirmation. So my sell arrow is going to be when silver breaks out from here. Yes, it has to break out from this structure, and that was why you see when price broke this structure, it came retested it. So retest of 108.262 was a buy continuation, and let's see 1 hour close. So I'm trying to pick a resistance structure on different time frame. So on 1 hour is on 2 hours close. So let me see if I get a double confirmation on different time frame. So 1 hour close is giving an extended move, which is showing a greater buy retest than 2 hours. So most likely your market might dip itself into either 1 hour or 2 hours resistance. So any of them could be an area of sell. So you could have a sell order here, or you could have a sell order on that roof. They are both valid. So it depends on where you pitch your lock. If you pitch your lock on 1 hour close, 1 hour candle close is 117 450. If market comes there, your analysis is right. And if you put yourself on 2 hours close, which is this, on 2 hours close, this is the supply roof on 2 hours. If market comes there and reacts, then you are right. Then those who are waiting for sell order at 1 hour close will not see that trigger. Rather, their buy order will become a sell order. That's what it means technically. So when you are in a buy, when you are in a buy rally, and you didn't catch the correction or to the buy rally, your buy rally becomes sell, and you are technically going to lose money. If you don't see it on time to close your position, it will turn all your buy profit to loss. So if market comes here, it could react. That is case one. That is a 2 hours close reaction, and market could extend into 1 hour, which I've already detailed, and return. They are all valid. They are all valid. They are all valid. They are all valid. They are all valid floor. So let's see 3 hours close. So 3 hours close and 2 hours close seem to be showing a promising sell zone because they are the same. Look at it, 3 hours close. Look at 2 hours close. Only 1 hour close is different. And let's look at 4 hours close. So 4 hours close, it's we're still currently in. We've not gotten there. We've not gotten there. So if we are looking at the candle closes that should serve as resistance, then that should be 3 hours, which is uh, at the same level with 2 hours, and the only one different is 1 hour. So 1 hour could come back to give you an ultimate sell zone. So if price comes there, that could likely be a supply roof. That could likely be a supply roof. So it's two things that's going to happen. It's either price react at 2 hours or price reacts um, at 1 hour. So whichever one where you see it, it's under probability. It's under probability. So these are the two carriers, 117 and 114. Both of them could likely constitute a sell trigger based on the strategy. Based on the strategy. So that's technically what I see. But I'll tell you for free, the market never moves in one direction. So no matter what we are seeing now, the market will always, call room for retest. There will always be room for retest. So you can see what we've had here. So I can also expect that in a more aggressive return, this can also be another area of demand. Like you can see there on 2 hours, a very clean break and retest, which also giving us an opportunity for buy entry. If you are following market structure, like I always advocate, we have here as resistance structure one, resistance structure two, breakout of structure followed by a retest in the month of January 12th, and price came back on at the same Monday 12th as a final buy confirmation, and you have seen that silver has left. So it's not like we were not warned. Market never does anything without warning, without notification. The market will warn you, the market will notify you, because everything the market does follows chart. Follows chart. The chart, the way you see it, is the motion of buying and selling. So it's not spontaneous. And the idea of traders saying manipulation, no, 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 stop that nonsense. Don't say there's nothing like manipulation in the market. What you have is demand and supply. Yes, so don't put yourself into that trade recklessness. Market is demand and supply. When price create a first supply roof here, you have sold. Second supply roof have sold. Now they broke out, showing presence of more liquidity, and it was also evident, and you have seen that that became a buy confirmation, and it's also another buy confirmation and a sell continuation. That's what it means. So if price returns there and we see that area disrespected, it becomes a retest and we sell from there. So that's a clean buy confirmation. As a buy confirmation. That was a clean buy confirmation there. So that's silver. The same way we interpret gold, that's how we interpret every pair available in the financial market. Shavi FS Hub will never call you or text you for account management or investment capital. Whoever you see online parading themselves, these are all scam 419. We are independent and all we advocate is Forex education. My key area of competence is metal based on my primary area of study. So I continue to highlight and throw more emphasis on everything metal, and by the special grace of God, we have strong expertise in analyzing the metal market. So bye for now. Wish you a lovely day. Bye bye.